Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here, Safi Financial Network. In today's video, we're gonna just go through one of the most important chart, I believe, that in the stock market, just because this is not a stock market, this is gonna be the future of the geopolitical tensions, which I believe that it shows itself in this chart. And this is a Lockheed Martin, and I believe that Lockheed is forming a pretty nice bullish consolidation or bullish W pattern here. You see that the same scenario we had this 2020, 2021, and you know that when after breakout, it has like a massive move to new all-time high, and that was during Russia-Ukraine war. And after that, just the back test this neckline, getting back again up, and then back test, and then all the way up to new all-time high. We are forming almost the same scenario here. You see that this is a pretty nice bullish W pattern here with a nice divergence between these two, and also this one has a support of this trend line as well. So keep an eye on 500 area because this is gonna be a very, very crucial moment for Lockheed Martin. If we get above this, I would say it's gonna go all the way up to somewhere around 580, which is gonna be this is gonna be the first hiccup. And then if we pass this one, we're gonna go all the way up to new all-time high, which is gonna be 660 or 670, which is coming along to this line as well. So all in all, I should say when Lockheed Martin is forming a pretty nice bullish momentum, this means, unfortunately, we have a geopolitical tensions, conflicts, or any armed conflicts around the globe. I don't know if it's going to be again Russia, Ukraine, West Asia, Iran, Israel, or even it could be China, US in the Taiwan area, which I don't think that's going to happen soon, but who knows about the future. All in all, I should say everyone needs to be careful about this. And in my previous video, which posted yesterday, I mentioned about the crude price as well. If you haven't watched that video, make sure watch that video because when crude is forming the bottom and when energy stocks are forming a pretty bullish pattern for setting off for new highs, alongside of that one, you see that the military names like Lockheed Martin is forming again the same scenario. This means conflicts are getting closer and closer. If you go to daily chart, you see that Lockheed already formed a pretty nice rally to the upside. We may see some kind of like a consolidation because there are tons of resistance in a daily chart here, somewhere around 480 to 500. And that would be the scenario that you see that the news are kind of like a kind of getting close to a rally. And after kind of like a consolidation, you see that the price is just skyrocketing to the upside before in July 2024. And we are going to see the same scenario here, potentially after consolidation. We're going to see a nice skyrocketing to the upside as a format in a weekly chart. We may go all the way up to 600 and 680 for a final target potentially by middle of next year. So all in all, I should say everyone needs to be careful about the market, about the geopolitical tensions, and also keep an eye on this one because this one is gonna give us a roadmap down the road. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart, folks. Bye-bye.